Hey there, welcome everybody, welcome everyone to our channel, and hope everybody doing fine. Today we came to Quebec day before yesterday, so we did a lot of videos downtown Quebec, this and that, but today we came to a very exciting place. That's from Quebec downtown to here is roughly about 40 minutes time, so 40 minutes by drive. We came today. We've been given to this one from the front gate. The park is Parc National de la Jacques-Cartier Park. So it's a French name, so I'm a little struggle to say. If I don't say right correctly, I apologize. Yes, so that's the park we came. It's so beautiful, so fantastic, based on the map and based on the view. So we're gonna go around parking this way. We're gonna go around, we're gonna take a lot of footages and a lot of small views and take a lot of videos, and we're gonna, all of them will be in that video. Anyway guys, everybody, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe our channel. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. you.